Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Portrait Tech. And today what I'm going to be doing here, I have an SE, which is the first generation Apple Watch SE, which was paired to this phone, which is the iPhone 14 Pro. And my wife just upgraded to the Apple Watch Series 8 from the SE. And I did all the transfer from the old watch here, which is the SE, to her new Series 8. If you want to see how to do that, then you could go ahead and click on the channel here and go and find the video. Okay, but for today, what I'm gonna do in this video is unpair her old watch SE to what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unpair it from the 14 Pro and I'm gonna connect it to this 13 Pro, which is our mom's 13. So what's gonna happen here, before we can do anything and before you hand down or try to sell your Apple Watch, you need to do this or you're gonna have problems. So let's go ahead and unpair this watch from the 14 Pro so we can pair it to the new the iPhone 13 that is going to be connected to. So let's go ahead and we're going to open the 14 Pro here and we're going to go to the watch app. Okay, so we're going to open the watch app and we're going to go here and we're going to click on all watches because we have more than one watch paired to this phone at the moment. So we have going to hit all watches here and you're going to see the list with both watches. So this one with the check mark is the current watch that the phone is paired to, and as you can see here, it says it's a 41mm case stainless steel Apple Watch. This is aluminum SE, so this is the one at the bottom here. So what we're gonna do, we have auto switch on here. It doesn't matter when we delete the SE, this is not gonna be here. So we're gonna hit on this little eye right here and it's gonna show you here, it says unpair watch. So that's what you want to do here. So we're gonna hit unpair watch and it says you need to repair this watch to use it again. Okay, so we're gonna hit unpair. So unpairing will remove any cellular plan from this Apple Watch and remove everything here from this watch. So what it's gonna do here, you're gonna go here, unpair, and it's gonna ask for the Apple ID password. So my wife's gonna put this in. Okay, so now you can see the Apple Watch is unpairing. So what it's gonna do, it's also gonna reset the watch as well. So as you can see, the watch here, you have this thing spinning here, which shows that it's resetting the watch as well. So now it's unpairing. So this takes a little while, so we just gotta wait. So what it's doing, it's unpairing from the phone that it was paired to so we can connect it to the new one. Okay, so on the phone, as you can see, it's removed, and if you go to all watches, you're only seeing the stainless steel remaining on this phone. All right, so we're gonna hit done there. And also what you want to do on the phone that it was paired to is go to your settings, and then we're gonna go ahead and see if we can remove this. So this says Apple Watch SE, it's starting to load up, so we're gonna wait until till this loads up, then we are gonna remove it from the Apple ID account. So let's just wait until this starts up. Okay, so there you see this home little screen right here shows this, but I'm gonna go ahead and see if it pops up underneath the account tab on this phone first and then remove it. So Apple Watch SE. Okay, so it says find my watch is off, because once you unpair it from your phone, it's gonna be off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it from this account permanently. So let's remove it. And this is the 14 Pro. So now as you can see, the only watch listed here is the Series 8. The SE is now gone. Okay, So let's put this. Now we're done with this phone, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go on 13, which is the one we want to pair to this watch now, and we're gonna put it next to the watch, and we're gonna get the passcode in. So my wife's gonna put the passcode in for her mom's phone. Okay, so now the code is in the phone, and we're gonna go ahead and pair it to the iPhone 13. So this is what you want to see. So as soon as you see the screen on your watch, you want to put your phone next to your watch. That's all it's telling you to do, and then it's gonna give you the option on your phone to pair. So let's go ahead and hit continue, and we're gonna allow notifications, and then on here we're gonna go to setup for myself, and then it's gonna have this globe on your iPhone like a galaxy look. Just put it over the screen like this, align it in the box, and then it's gonna say Apple Watch is paired. So we're gonna go ahead, set up this watch so we can have it paired to this phone. So we're gonna have it on the left wrist, which is pretty much where most people wear watches. So I'm gonna keep it on the left. You can use it on the right wrist if you want. So it says connecting to your Apple Watch. This may take a moment, so you just gotta wait and be patient. Okay, so now we're at the terms and conditions screen, and let's hit agree. So now we're signing into the iCloud. Alright, so we're gonna enable route tracking. So it has bold text. We're just gonna leave that. We're not gonna turn that on right now. Let's just, you can do bold text, which make it look, it's just gonna make the icons a little thicker than normal. So we're gonna hit continue. So you don't have to select that option. So on here we're not gonna add a passcode, so we're gonna hit don't add passcode. All this, we're gonna skip this step. We're not gonna set up any activity. So it says keep your watch up to date. Okay, so you're gonna have it update automatically. Alright, so hit continue. That's emergency SOS, continue. So this is now we're gonna set up, this is a LTE watch, so we're gonna go ahead and set up cellular. So we're gonna hit set up cellular. It's loading the page. Okay, and we're gonna enter the last four of the primary social. So I'm gonna remove this phone from the screen and do that, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit continue. Okay, so now it's showing you to select the plan for the watch. So we have the $10 a month for digits, and that's the one you want to choose for T-Mobile. I'm not sure about the other carriers, but you can check with your carrier how that goes, and you could get your watch paired. So let's just hit continue. We're gonna agree to the terms, and we're gonna go ahead and continue and wait for this to, so it says thank you for your purchase. So now you can see that the watch now has LTE service set up. So we're gonna go to continue setup, and it says installing will be ready soon. Okay, continue. So it says install available apps. We're gonna go ahead and choose later, because most of the apps on the phone, mostly used apps on this watch is probably gonna be the message and the phone app, which is already on the watch. So we're gonna just hit choose later for the other apps. So it says you're set. This is a line now for the watch. It's already paired and has LTE service. So now it has grid view, so you can change it to list view if you want to, which for this person I'm probably gonna use list, because they're not gonna understand this grid right here. So let's go ahead and choose list view, and I'm gonna hit continue. So depending on your case, you could choose a grid view or list view, but for this person we're gonna choose list. And if you notice, I made the I chose bold text on this as well, so it pops more on the watch. Okay, so now it says welcome to Apple Watch, and here it is. On the watch face it says update complete, so we're gonna hit OK. Okay, so it says Wi-Fi emergency address update, hit OK, and this is the watch face that it's selected. So you can go ahead and modify the watch based on your preference, on your watch face, your haptic, which means your watch key set up vibration or sound, whatever you want to have set up on your watch. So now this is it. Okay, and we're just gonna hit OK, and now the watch app is gonna show the Apple Watch. So we go all on, you know, you're gonna have all watches, and it shows that the watch is paired and the watch that's connected to this phone. Okay, and if you hit on the dot here, you can see Find My Apple Watch is on as well, and it's paired. So now with this, we already set up the LTE, so that means you can use this watch without having the phone on you. So here we have everything. You go to General, About, and it shows information on the watch. And you can also go ahead and set up watch faces. So we'll go to Face Gallery, and we're going to create watch faces. Simple, like pretty simple ones for this one, but I'm not gonna do this on the video, or I could just do one here just for you to see if it's your first time using the watch and you want to get a simple watch face. Let's just get something simple here with the time, date, and then you could have different watches that you could add more options to, like the phone dial and the message on there as well. So you have many ways of setting this up. So let's select one of these, and with the top it shows whether we're going to add we can have phone there as well. It doesn't have the phone option on this one, but it depends. You could choose a face that pretty much is modifiable based on your needs. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and as I mentioned before, if you want to see the unboxing of the Ultra and the stainless steel watch and the pairing for those as well, then you could go ahead and check those videos out on the channel. So please consider subscribing, turning your notification bell on to get notified when I have other videos posted on the channel. Okay, thank you for watching again. Peace.